All right, today we're looking at a 2016 Ford F150 XL. It's a four-wheel drive. Okay, it's got 27,000 miles on it. A clean Carfax, one owner. It's magnetic, metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. All right, it does have the EcoBoost. It's got your running boards down there. All right, I mentioned earlier it is a four-wheel drive. Okay, it does have the foldable hard shell tonneau cover. It's the X-Stang Solid Fold 2.0. Okay, but you can just simply fold this over and it just folds on top of itself. Really opens up the space in the bed of the truck. All right, it does have the plastic bed liner back here. All right, it's got the rear view camera. Make our way down the passenger side of the vehicle. Everything's in really good shape, well taken care of. All right, it's a 2016 Ford F150 XL, four-wheel drive, clean Carfax, one owner. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the gray and black door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. All right, it does have the gray cloth seating. It's the 40-20-40 bench seating. Okay, driver's side looks good. Does have the keyless entry key fob. Okay, and then it has this section, middle section comes down, converts into a cup holder and some storage here, but you simply just lift that up. Okay, and that's what turns it into the 40-20-40 split bench. Okay, passenger seat looks good. No issues there. All right, and it does have a little bit of storage underneath. This in the middle section there with a couple more cup holders. Right. It has your USB port power outlet here. It's got your Microsoft Sync. Four-wheel drive. Got your climate control area. AM, FM, CD player. Alright, it does have the backup camera. We'll show you that in a second. It's got your steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Got your cruise control over here. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 27,653 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and give you a shot of the display screen here at the AM, FM, CD player. Alright, go ahead and engage the backup camera. Let's see if I can dim it down for you just a bit. It's probably about the best I can get it. Yep. Alright, it's got your four-wheel drive over here. Climate control area here. Does have a convenient power outlet right here. AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Alright, door panels look good back here. It's got the big cab. Plenty of room back here. As you can see, the carpet back here is in great shape. Back seat cloth looks good. No issues at all back here. I'm going to give you the driver's side view of the dash and the layout. Alright. And it does have a nice convenient power outlet back here as well. Okay, let's take a look in the bed of the truck. Of course, we've already taken a look at the tonneau cover one time. Once again, it is the X-Stang Solid Fold 2.0. Okay, and it's going to fold up all the way up to the cab of the truck. Okay, really maximizes your space back here. Got the rugged liner, plastic bed liner in here. Take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got 17-inch alloys. Okay, Goodyear tires, still in good shape. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2016 Ford F150 XL. All right, it is a four-wheel drive. Okay, it's got 27,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in phenomenal shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.